If you're an activist, you need to hear this. Zimbabwe is at a boiling point. Today, heavily armed police prevented citizens from entering the court premises where Senator Jameson Timber and 79 youths were denied bail. The youth leaders, arrested without clear reasons, symbolize the growing unrest in Zimbabwe. But the people are not backing down. They have taken their fight to the streets, peacefully yet passionately demanding justice. According to the Zimbabwean constitution, peaceful protest is a right. Yet the government's actions speak otherwise. It's time to stand up and demand the release of these persecuted youth leaders. Their arrest is not just an attack on them, but on every citizen's right to voice dissent. Zimbabweans are calling for justice, and it's a call we must all amplify. Join the movement, share their story, and let the world know that Zimbabwe demands justice. The time to act is now. Stand with them. Stand for justice.